Windows 11 brings many features to the table, including a new context menu. However, the good news is that you can still bring back the good old Windows 10 context menu back. So through this video, watch these steps to get the job done. Firstly, you must tweak your registry settings. Just go to regedit, navigate to this path, then right-click on the left-hand pane, select New, then choose Key. Once done, name the new key with this, then right-click again on the key you just created, and select New, then choose Key again. After that, name the new key into this, and double-click the default key. After doing all of that, close the default key without editing anything, exit the registry editor, then restart your computer. So now when you right-click on your desktop, the classic Windows 10 context menu should be visible on the screen. Just keep in mind that you need to restart your computer to apply the changes. So that's how you can easily restore the old context menu in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.